Not again. RT, you're gonna have to come get me.
I'm being
I'm not throwing-
chased!
You're just gonna have to get me.
How? I'm being chased!
Oh my god, where are these other two losers doing that? I'm just
I
gonna
don't
take a
know,
chance.
I'm being chased! And I'm literally exposed.
This is the second time.
Oh my god.
You
Oh, Megan! Ah!
crawl, Meg, crawl. Crawl! She's not crawling, she's just healing up.
Bro, this fucking Bubba.
This Meg's gonna die, she's not.
I'm gonna die because I can't get out! Break the pallet!
I'll come help. Leave Meg. Bye-bye.
I don't know what to do, I'm gonna die!
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna die, just leave!
Just run, just run, go. Just go.
Oh my god. I don't have dead hard! If I had dead hard, I would have made it. Dude, fuck this. Fuck this.
They are just
Hello?
It's Mikael. Oh my god. Heal tech. No!
Fuck off!
Oh! I was not expecting that.
Take a hit.
He's just gonna grab
no.
me. He's gonna grab me. Yes! Tombstone Myers! Yes! I've never been more excited in my life. Wait, Nancy just blinked! Hold on! I can't even... Where's the killer?
Is she stuck?
I don't know. What the fuck?
I got a new jets.
Oh my god. Okay, have fun with that. I'm out of here. You're setting up crows! Stop! Stop! Ay, 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 ay. Bro! The timing! Impeccable! Go, go, go. Oh! Bruh, the save. The double save. Oh. I don't even know what just happened. Five gen loop, 5 gen loop, 5 gen loop, 5 gen loop, 5 gen loop. 2 gens, 5 gen loop. I'll finish it, it's okay. 5-gen loop? Oh my god! It's okay, Connor, your sacrifice was very noble. Open the door!
What the hell? She's coming back here! Oh my god. Well, so much for healing myself, the stupid bitch.
I made her miss!
Keep going straight. Oh, perfect, perfect. Tell Connor to do that, damn Jen.
Connor, do the dash!
Tell, or, oh my gosh, she's. I don't know if she can get you down like that, can she? Maybe she can. Oh, she can. That's crazy.
You're a bitch and you know it. Please, I am putting this man through a fucking blender. Break the pallet, my guy. Holy shit. Ah, you got me. Dude, that was a long ass chase. Oh my god. Why is he torturing me like this? Yo. You missed. Oh, nice. She DC'd so fast.
I'm coming.
Run to the other gate, other gate. Go straight, just keep going that way. Keep going that way, just keep going that way. No. Go straight, why are you serpentining? We're fine, run! How many times? Open the gate! One more blind for good measure. Another one.
That's toxic.
Okay, I'm done. I'm down. She was too stunned to speak. I'll save them too. I'm coming. Huh? Oh my god.
She has silent traps.
Ooh, a hex. I wonder what it is. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bruh.
She's ready to be picked up. No. Oh, I'm so. Ah! Ah! Oh no. I just. Oh my god, that fang's gonna kill me. Oh, Michaela!
Close to where the generator.
Hi.
Bro, did he not just see me? Cool. Thanks for the flashlight, Connor. Oh no, why didn't you run away?
Can't you do it again?
Nah, he's just on the fucking hook.
She knows.
She knows too much. Dwight, run!
What am I watching?
What is going on?
I'm so confused.
Like, why is he standing there? I just sacrificed myself for this man twice. Are you fucking serious right now? Oh my god.
Oh my god, no,
Plasma.
no.
You can't just leave.
I have to. I'm
You
not gonna die
don't
for
have
this
to.
loser. You should have just left it. Well, you're dead, and then
Yeah, but oh my god.
Let's get out of here. Screw him.
Why are you banned for 5 hours? No, wait a minute.
I don't see the band thing.
You
I don't see a ban.
what?
Maybe you're banned.
Yeah.
No, look at this shit. It says 5 hours and 8 minutes.
That's not
When-
possible.
Yes, I sent it to you.
I
Fuck.
DC'd one time, like 2
You
hours
DC'd
ago.
one time.
Sorry.
You got banned for 5 hours. Oh, it's gone. What the fuck?
Yeah, you're lying.
No.
He has silent bell.
Yeah.
Why the fuck am I
So
Steve?
fast! Oh my god, he's so fast.
Why am I Steve?
Because you switched your character.
I
name.
did. I
That's
didn't.
what I was asking in the beginning. I'm like, why is she Steve?
Oh my god, dude.
Isn't it that one like Felix guy? Doesn't he have it when you break? What the hell?
Yeah, hey guys, I'm just.
Please have tombstone.
What just happened?
Got her right through the tree.
Oh.
Connor, it's what we've always wanted.
Come here, Michael. Yes.
It's the Tombstone Myers. We've been saying for like since I've gotten home, like we wanted Tombstone Myers to kill us.